You do understand it's completely voluntary. Okay, perfect. So we'll just let her get started, and we'll be in the area.
Okay.
So Chris, I might need your help a little bit.
Okay.
Okay. So where is, I'm assuming your wife Sherry's in bed with you?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, let's take a look in there and then talk to your kids. Does she have any dirty laundry that hasn't been touched by anybody else besides her? Okay. Is any of your laundry in there with it?
Yes.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, I just think it's a family. It's gonna happen. How about all your kids around?
So their laundry would be in the...
Okay. And has any of it been touched by you today?
I'll put it in there.
You put it in there?
Yeah.
How about, dirty laundry? Let's see.
This is their dirty laundry here.
Okay, you usually pick it up off the floor and put it in there?
Yep.
Beds, have you touched their beds today?
I made them.
You made them, okay. Do you like pick up the pillow, that kind of stuff, or do you just like, okay. Let me think here.
Sure.
Let me see in the
Yeah.
anything that
You think about
nothing I
toys?
could have ever touched at all.
How about, actually, shoes would be good, too. Shoes that maybe you haven't touched since they've worn them? Is there cleaning?
Yeah, they didn't. But sometimes the blankies get put in there,
Okay.
but that's the one she usually uses, the butterfly one.
This one?
But
Okay,
that's
so you touched it today?
yesterday when I put it on the bed.
Okay. Shoes?
Shoes are downstairs.
Okay. And then probably your wife's shoes, too.
Okay. This is Cece's shoes and Bella's shoes on this side.
Okay. What's the most recent pair you remember her wearing?
Probably outside because they were wet from a pool party.
Okay.
Does that still work?
What day was that?
99.
That was on Saturday.
Okay.
Those
Is
are two right there.
Just be advised,
Put them up on the chair?
two different calls, one's gonna be from KOA,
I put them out
another
for
one
you
is
to
gonna
dry.
be,
Yeah.
CIO request, and it's gonna be the Denver
And they got,
Post.
I think they got wet, right? They were in there.
Probably show
They
me
got
advice.
wet. Is that what?
Yeah,
Pass that
they
on
were.
to my
It was a
kids.
water balloon thing.
Okay.
They were dipping into the pool.
Did they wear them walking home? Is there a pool in town?
It was at a friend's birthday party
Okay.
over at Jeremy Winston's house.
So they got wet in the pool and then they walked home in them, and then you put them
Oh,
on
we
there.
drove home.
Drove home? Okay.
Yeah.
Did they warm home?
Yes,
Okay.
but I did put them out there.
Okay. Well, we'll try them because there's can't think of anything else, right? All the other shoes you think you've touched.
Oh yeah,
as well.
because I helped them put them on.
Yeah.
Or tie them or something.
And then how about Wife's shoes? Are there any pairs you think you wouldn't have touched?
I grabbed
Okay.
the bottom for.
Okay. Well, I'll give him
Sorry, I put him. He'll bite your ankles.
Got it. It's always the little one, never the big one.
Oh, it's okay. I know, it's okay. you in those shoes outside,
Okay.
too. Chris, when's the last time your wife just went for a walk around the neighborhood so you can remember?
Been a long, long time.
Okay. And then how about your kids?
They were in North Carolina for the last 6 weeks, so it was before that.
Okay. And you said you went to a pool party on Saturday, but you drove there
Yeah,
and
I
home?
drove there the same
Okay.
because she was in Arizona at that point.
Okay. All right. We just want to make sure that when the dogs go out on a trail, they're not following something old. Usually it doesn't stick around for more than a week, so
Okay.
good news then. These other ones.
I'm sure they've asked you already. She doesn't usually go out on hikes or...
No, we've never been on a hike.
Okay. No, nothing long stretch.
I've been waiting to hear something all day, all night. Just friends pouring out and reaching out. That's about it.
I'll tell you one thing for certain. I can't imagine what you're going through right now.
Man,
Not even
the house. I couldn't sleep at all last night. It just didn't feel. It didn't feel right, and I'm used to my kids and Susie's in the high chair and Bella's right there. I missed them throwing chicken nuggets at me honestly last night.
Well, like I said, we brought in extra resources, so we'll do everything that we can to try to find
That's what I'm trying to find them.
everything we can.
You said friends and her family has also reached out to you, or just...
Oh
your
yeah,
friends?
I mean people I haven't
Everyone.
heard from in years. I mean they all know. And Facebook's a machine,
Okay.
so
It's
it reaches all parts of the world, and it's a great machine most days
Yeah,
for this type of stuff.
exactly.
And Chris, did she drive her car from the airport?
No, Nikki dropped her off on the way far up, or that one parked outside the door.
Yeah. Do you drive that car as well?
That one? No, that's Nikki's car.
Oh, okay. Does your wife have a car?
Yes.
And do you drive it? Or did she?
Last time I was last one to go to the pool party. Back.
Okay, so pretty recently.
Yeah. Saturday.
That's okay. Okay. Well, we'll give these a try.
Okay.
Yeah, probably. That's okay with him.
Are you all right with just bringing a dog through the house as well?
Oh, good.
And, your
you want
little
me-
dog? Yeah, is he locked up?
He's locked up. Do you want me to put him outside so
Yeah,
he's not
that might
like
be better.
really
Yeah.
going nuts?
Perfect.
Appreciate it.